Welcome to this tutorial on managing Fifth Third Bank online banking. This guide will walk you through the process of navigating and utilizing the online banking platform to manage your accounts efficiently. First, you need to log into your account by visiting the Fifth Third Bank website and clicking on the Login button. Enter your user ID and password to access your account. If you are a new user, you can enroll for online banking by clicking on the Enroll Now button and following the prompts. Once you are logged in, you will see an overview of your accounts, including your checking, savings, and credit card accounts. You can view your account balances, transaction history, and statements. You can also customize your account overview by adding or removing accounts and setting up account alerts. To pay bills, click on the Pay Bills tab and select the account you want to use to make the payment. Enter the payee information, payment amount, and payment date. You can also set up recurring payments and view your payment history. To transfer funds, click on the Transfer Funds tab and select the accounts you want to transfer from and to. Enter the transfer amount and select the transfer date. You can also set up recurring transfers and view your transfer history. You can also use the online banking platform to manage your credit card accounts, including viewing your credit card balance, transaction history, and statements. You can also make credit card payments and set up credit card alerts. To manage your account security, click on the Account Services tab and select the security options. You can change your password, update your security questions, and set up account alerts. It is recommended that you change your password regularly and use strong security questions to protect your account. Additionally, you can use the online banking platform to access other services, such as ordering checks, stopping payments, and viewing your account documents. You can also use the mobile banking app to access your accounts on the go. Best practices for managing your Fifth Third Bank online banking include regularly reviewing your account activity, monitoring your account balances, and setting up account alerts to notify you of any suspicious activity. It is also recommended that you keep your computer and mobile device secure by using antivirus software and strong passwords. In conclusion, managing your Fifth Third Bank online banking is a straightforward process that can be completed in a few easy steps. By following the guidelines outlined in this tutorial, you can efficiently manage your accounts, pay bills, transfer funds, and access other services. Remember to always prioritize account security and follow best practices to protect your accounts.